Good morning. It has just started to snow. It is 7 a.m. Wednesday. School's canceled. Chicks are happy. Well spread. Nice and warm. We had our scare last night. We got to look at what it's going to be like when the power went out. Shorted out the outlets over here, these silver ones. Figured out that the orange ones work, but we briefly went without power. The chicks got cold really quick, made a whole lot of noise, let me know I needed to figure out what was up, and then we got them going again, and everyone was happy. Eating like crazy, really well spread out. We just need to make sure that we can keep them warm if and when the power goes. Talk to you later on today. Hey. Yeah. It's 10 o'clock in the morning now. About 3 hours since I last checked in, the blizzard has set in for sure. These guys don't care. They are entirely happy, warm. Everyone is good. They're spoiled rotten is what they are. Well looked after. As per me, knocked off some breakfast, made bacon and eggs in Shauna's kitchen. And I've been hanging out in here because this is the warmest room in the place. I might venture over to my classroom to rock some Netflix. We're down to the gym. Maybe shoot some hoops. I don't know. Wild times. Quick little lesson on how chick position can show us what they need. If you check out the chart, you see if they're all clumped on one side, there's a draft. We actually have, as I zoom out here, a fanned heater, which I turned down to medium heat. So it's blowing heat, but really just kind of coolish air. Look at that mass of cuteness right down there. They don't like that little breeze. So I'm going to keep that heater going, but I'm either going to turn it back up to full or move it somewhere else so those little darlings aren't feeling that breeze. Again, spoiled chicks. 7:07 as I take this video. This parking lot was bare this morning. It now has bare spots and drifts that are probably 2 to 3 feet tall. As promised, chicks. Not a lot going on. I just ate supper. Quite tasty. Don't tell these guys, but chicken was the protein. That draft, we've somewhat repaired it. These guys don't agree that we've repaired it enough. We turned the temperature up, but they still don't like the hot air blowing. Just can't please some chicks. I don't know. We'll probably do one more check before bed. I hope everyone's staying safe and warm. It is not nice out there. I don't know how much new snow is still coming down, but it is blowing like crazy, and there are 4.5, 5 foot drifts out there. Unpleasant. Nice and warm in here still. We've weighed the chicks. This is rather amazing. This is our 7th day with them. A couple of students and I went and picked them up in Toulon last week. On Thursday, got back here about 5 o'clock, unloaded them. So it'll be 7 days at 5 o'clock today. Wow. They are, they've gone from an average of 45.8 grams to an average of 130.4 grams. That's about 285% increase. So they are growing absolutely like crazy. They are averaging a little more than a quarter pound a piece at the moment, with the heaviest tank I managed to find at 152.3 grams, way over average. I have the temperature cooled off a bit, as we should be getting down into the high 80s as per our schedule to make sure they're good and hardy for when they head outside in the chicken tractors in a couple weeks, right? All the snow will be gone. Well, there's the weigh-in. We'll check back around supper. Hey guys, Have you seen the queen around? You seen the queen? I want to check in and tell her that I'm leaving. Huh? Is she part of that mass over there? She might be. It is Thursday night. It's about 8 o'clock. The snow has stopped as much as it can. I've packed up. Most of the stuff is in the Jeep. These guys are good with food and water. We are going to try and take off. If you see this video, that means I've made it home, and my 48-hour chicken storm odyssey has been a success with all 82 birds alive as the storm is coming to a close. All right. Healthy, happy chicks. I'll post an update next time I see them. Have a good night.